Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to purchase a Theta node. This will be a full step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you watch the video until the very end. But most importantly, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that Webull link if you want to get 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I started accumulating crypto nodes, and my plan is very simple. I want to make as much money as I possibly can. So right now I have 2 crypto nodes, Safe Haven and Theta Network. But my plan is to get between 10 to 15 different type of nodes and then simply hold them for the next 5 years to see how much money they can actually make me. I will be tracking my entire progress on a spreadsheet. I will show you exactly what nodes I got and all that important information. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let me show you exactly what you need to purchase a Theta node. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Theta wallet. You can download this on your desktop or on your mobile device. Personally, I will be doing the mobile device simply because it's easier and it's less risky. I use my laptop for pretty much everything, and I do not want to have wallets on my laptop in case it gets hacked, and I don't want to lose my crypto. So I will be using a separate phone for this entire transaction, and that is what I recommend you guys do as well, especially coins and nodes that you plan on holding for the long term. Get a whole separate computer that you will only use for your long-term holds, or a separate phone. That way your crypto will be a lot safer. So once you download the Theta wallet, you're going to go through the entire process. You're going to create an account, set your password, write down your keywords, do all of that important information. Pretty much the same thing as with any other wallet. So once you have set up your Theta wallet, it should look something like this. You are going to have your Theta balance, your T fuel, and your T drop. So to run a Theta Network Guardian node, you are going to need a minimum of 1,000 Theta tokens. Also some T fuel, like less than $1 of T fuel, like 0.5, or you can just purchase 1 T fuel and you should be ready to go. Also guys, I use KuCoin to purchase Theta Network and T fuel, and then I simply send it over to my Theta wallet. KuCoin link will be in the description box below. KuCoin is one of my favorite exchanges. They have a ton of different projects, very low fees, and I highly recommend them. But once you have purchased Theta and some T fuel, you're simply going to send them over to your Theta wallet. Also guys, the address in your Theta wallet, you're going to use that address to receive Theta Network and T fuel. So you're pretty much going to be sending it to the same wallet address. As you guys can see, I have 1001 Theta Network and some T fuel. So the next thing that you have to do is press on Stakes at the very bottom. And then you are going to press Deposit. And then it will take you to this page where you'll be able to select what type of node you want to run. Then on this drop down menu, we are going to select Guardian node. That is the one that only requires 1,000 Theta. The Validator requires 200,000 Theta. I'm not on that level yet, but hopefully over time I'll get there. And then they also have the Edge nodes and the T drops. I personally don't know much about them, so I will not be selecting those. So we're going to select Guardian node. And then the next thing that we have to do is select a dedicated Guardian node. Also, you will have a huge selection to choose from. After doing my research, I will be choosing G-Pool. It has one of the best uptimes, and also it has a 4% fee, which I do not mind at all. This, in my opinion, is the easiest, most cost-effective way to run a Guardian node. Also, guys, you can set up a computer, you can host your own nodes, you can do all of that stuff. But personally, I do not want to do any of that stuff. I do not want to be worrying if my system is up and running or about downtime or any of that stuff. I want to do it the easiest way possible. We are going to select G-Pool, and then we are going to select the amount of Theta we are going to stake. I have 1001, so I will be staking 1001 Theta. And then we are going to press next, and we are going to confirm the transaction. But if you look at the very bottom, you will see that it will cost us 0.3 T fuel. That is why I recommended getting some T fuel in the beginning of the video. If you don't have T fuel, you will not be able to move forward. but 0.3 T-Fuel is literally a couple of pennies. And then we are going to confirm the transaction. And then when we press on stakes again, you will see our Guardian node is live and running. Also, when we go back to the main page, you will see that our Theta balance has decreased as well. Now we have like 0.8 something Theta. The other 1001 is in the Guardian node. And now let me show you exactly how much a Theta Guardian node actually costs. As I make this video, one Theta token is $2.89. And when we go back to my spreadsheet, you will see that I have a safe haven node that requires 1 million safe haven. I spent $3,142 on this node. And then on my Theta network, I spent $2,939. This includes everything, the fees, the T-Fuel, all of that stuff. I did pay a little bit more than $289, but I'm perfectly fine with that. Also, I got 1001 Theta. As you guys can see, I will be making an entire spreadsheet showing you guys exactly what nodes I'm purchasing, what price I paid for, and how many coins I got. Also, starting next month, I will be showing you guys exactly how much free money, how much free tokens these nodes are actually making me. I will be tracking my progress every single month, so stay tuned for those videos. Also, these nodes that I'm purchasing will be a mix of everything. I'll be purchasing low cap gems, bigger nodes. Literally, it'll be a mashup of everything. I'm not doing it in any particular order, or I'm not focusing on any particular niche or any of that stuff. I'm simply buying nodes in projects that I believe in long term. So please do your own research. Do what is right for you. This is not financial advice. This is just me showing you guys what I'm doing with my money and what nodes I'm purchasing. Do your own research. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.